Okay, so this is conditional probability questions. The question is, there are 12 counters in a bag. There's an equal number of red counters, blue counters and yellow counters in the bag. There are no other counters in the bag, right? So they have told that there are total 12 counters, and it includes the red, blue and the yellow counters, and they have also told us that there is an equal number of red counters, blue counters and yellow counters. So now 3 counters are taken at random from the bag. So work out the probability of taking 3 red counters. So now they're talking about the probability of taking 3 red counters, right? 3
Okay.
red counters. So first, if we choose, okay, as you can see that the when we talk about the probability, so the basically the probability is desired outcomes divided by total outcomes, right? We can
Okay.
say that the probability is desired outcomes divided by total outcomes. So
Okay.
uh, okay, wait. I'm not comfortable writing on it. Okay, you have read the question, just look at the board, I'm sharing it.
Okay.
So you know that when we talk about the probability is desired outcomes divided by total outcomes.
Yeah.
So when we talk about probability, so desired and divided by total outcomes. So they have told us that in a bag there are total 12 counters. So it means that the total outcomes are 12, right? So see, they're talking about there equal number of counters in the bag and they are total 12, right? So when we talk
Yeah.
about red, so these are red, right? And then these are blue, right? And what is the third
Yeah.
color they're talking about?
Yellow.
Yellow. So there are 4 yellow. So this is the bag. If I choose the first one, right? If I take out the first one, so if I
Okay.
take the first one, so how many are total red counters on in the first
Um.
draw? In the first draw, right?
Yeah.
So in the first draw, if I take, so what will be the probability of choosing the first counter?
What?
You know, this is desired outcome and divided by total outcome. If I just go with this, what is the probability of this red counter? They are total 4 na. So what is the probability of red counters?
3.
No, there are how many are total?
4.
4. So in the first draw you are having 4 counters na, 4 out of 12. The probability will be 4 out of 12, right? So
Yeah.
if you have chosen 1, now in the second draw you have already taken it out, now you have not put it back, right?
Okay.
So in the second draw, what will be the probability of red? Now what is the probability of red in the second draw? You are again taking out the red counter na, because they have told us in the question कि आपने red counter ही लेना है. So now what is the probability of red?
We multiplied by 2.
No, we'll just write down the probability. We have, see, we have taken out 1, right? We have taken out 1, na?
Yeah.
So now how many are the total outcomes?
3.
No, total outcomes. In the whole box, how many are total? I'm talking about all. In denominator, you write down the total outcomes. It includes all the colors.
11.
11, very good. So in the second row, now 11 are left. So what will be the probability of red? 3 by 11, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have taken the second one out. So they had told us कि हमें 3 times withdraw करना है. So now what will be the denominator?
2 by 10.
Very good. So what will be the probability of choosing red counters in 3 draws? 24 over multiply 12, 11 and 10.
1320.
1320. And now we can also simplify it. Whenever in probability we can simplify the answer. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12 and 0. Again we can go with the table of 2. Again 1 over 55 is your answer. Okay,
Okay.
did you get this?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the second question. Let me explain you this. No, I think it's a similar question. Okay, it's the same type of question. You can solve it. Just start doing
Okay.
the question. If you're stuck in any question, do take my help. And you know the
Okay.
tree method.
The tree method? No.
Okay, then I'm gonna explain you the tree method now. Okay.
Okay.
It's question number 2. Just give me a minute so that I can paste the question.